Today, I am reviewing HP Premium 17.3-inch touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been searching for a large-screen laptop that combines performance, style, and value, then the HP Premium 17.3-inch touchscreen laptop might just be the perfect fit for you. Designed with productivity and everyday use in mind, this laptop stands out as a strong all-rounder that delivers more than what you'd expect from an Intel Core i3 machine. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this device such an impressive option in 2025. Starting with the performance, at the heart of this HP Premium laptop is the Intel Core i3-N305 processor, a modern 8-core chip capable of handling demanding multitasking with ease. With 8 cores and 8 threads and a turbo frequency that goes up to 3.8 GHz, this processor gives you the kind of power and efficiency that most entry-level laptops can only dream of. Whether you're browsing with dozens of tabs open, working on spreadsheets, or streaming high-definition content, this HP laptop delivers smooth and consistent performance without lag or stutter. But what really gives this laptop an edge is the massive 32 GB of RAM. That's right, 32 GB of high-speed DDR4 memory ensures that your applications launch almost instantly and switching between them feels seamless. It's ideal for users who need to run multiple programs at once. Whether you're editing documents, managing business software, or doing light creative work, you won't feel any slowdown. Storage is another area where this HP laptop truly shines. It comes with a dual-drive setup, 128 GB of eMMC storage, and a massive 1 TB PCIe NVMe solid-state drive. The 128 GB eMMC is perfect for your operating system and essential files, giving you ultra-fast boot-up times. Meanwhile, the 1 TB SSD provides plenty of space for your games, photos, videos, and large work files. Together, this combination delivers a balance of speed, capacity, and reliability that makes it an excellent choice for both personal and professional users. Now, let's talk about the display. The 17.3-inch HD Plus touchscreen is one of the biggest highlights of this laptop. With a resolution of 1600 by 900 pixels, it offers sharp visuals and great color clarity. It's a bright view display with 250 nits of brightness, making it perfect for watching movies, video calls, or working on creative projects. The touchscreen functionality adds an extra layer of convenience. You can easily navigate through apps, zoom in, scroll, or sketch without needing an external mouse. The large screen also provides a more comfortable workspace, perfect for multitaskers and students who want to see more at once. When it comes to connectivity, HP is packed in all the essentials. You get 2 super-speed USB Type-A ports, 1 super-speed USB Type-C port, an HDMI output, and a headphone/microphone combo jack. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 ensures fast, reliable wireless connections, whether you're joining online meetings, gaming, or transferring files. Wi-Fi 6, in particular, offers lower latency and higher speeds, a big advantage if you're using a fast internet connection. The laptop also includes a built-in HD webcam and integrated microphone, making it perfect for online classes, Zoom calls, or remote work. Combined with a crisp 17.3-inch screen, it gives you a comfortable and professional setup for all your communication needs. In terms of design, the HP Premium 17.3-inch laptop carries the brand's signature sleek, silver metallic finish. It's slim for a large laptop, measuring just 0.78 inches thick, and feels modern and professional. The numeric keypad is a great addition for users who work with numbers, making it an ideal choice for students, accountants, or office professionals. Despite the large size, the laptop remains portable and easy to carry around, weighing just about 13.9 pounds, which is reasonable for a 17-inch machine. On the software side, the laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Mode, a streamlined and secure version of Windows designed for better performance and safety. It allows you to download apps only from the Microsoft Store and use Microsoft Edge for browsing, ensuring a more controlled and virus-free environment. However, if you prefer the full Windows experience, you can easily switch out of S mode with a few clicks, giving you access to all your favorite third-party applications. Battery life is solid, thanks to the 6-cell lithium-ion battery with 45 watt-hours of power. You can expect several hours of regular use, enough for studying, working, or streaming without constantly needing to plug in. To sum it up, the HP Premium 17.3-inch touchscreen laptop is a well-rounded machine built for performance and convenience. The combination of an 8-core Intel processor, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and fast 1 terabyte SSD storage means it handles daily computing tasks effortlessly. Add in the large touchscreen display, modern connectivity options, and a stylish silver design, and you've got a laptop that's perfect for student and professionals.